Well, hi there, everybody. Good Tuesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski. For a few of you, it was a noisy start to our morning with some showers and thunderstorms. Others, once again, missed out. In fact, the areas that needed it the most missed out again, unfortunately. But there are chances down the road with a fairly active weather pattern ahead of us, which I'll get into here a little bit later on in this forecast. Let's start you off where we're at this morning. There are a couple of scattered showers and storms this morning. Now, Futurecast is a little off on the area. This is more straight north or just northeast of the Tri-Cities this morning. Some of the heaviest rains at this time, which is just after 7 o'clock this morning as I'm recording this, right around the St. Paul area, so just north of Grand Island is where we're seeing some of the heavier thunderstorm activity. That will continue to lift to the northeast this morning, and then our chances of rain pretty low the rest of the day in central Nebraska. I'm not going to exclude anything the rest of the day. That said, though, I do expect a little more sunshine this afternoon, and I'll keep a 20% chance of thunderstorms in the forecast for the afternoon hours. Eastern Nebraska, you've got a little bit better chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. To the west, I'm just expecting a little more sunshine out there for today. Cold front comes through this evening. That's going to bring in some cooler weather for the rest of the week. Still going to keep a slight chance of a shower or storm in the forecast for tonight and even into tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies much of the day. Chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially the farther southeast that you go. So areas south of the Tri-Cities, a better chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some severe weather is possible. Again, it will be cooler for most of us because of the extra clouds around and being behind that cold front. It should be about 10 degrees cooler for tomorrow. Your risk of severe weather, this is from the Storm Prediction Center, and focuses on areas in the eastern third of the state for the best chance of severe weather. You have that slight risk area from Grand Island and Hastings eastward. I certainly think the better chances are going to be east of Highway 81 there, so that Norfolk to York to Hebron line eastward. That's where the best chance of storms is going to be today. Large hail damaging winds look to be the primary threat. Can't rule out an isolated tornado. It's not a big time threat, though. Again, I think large hail damaging winds is kind of your primary focus for severe weather later today. Tomorrow, the southeastern parts of the viewing area have the best chance of severe thunderstorms. As for highs for today, going to be a warm one again. Mid to upper 80s up towards the north. A lot of that will depend on how long clouds stick around. Just a slight chance of a thunderstorm mainly this morning. To the west, it should be dry, mostly sunny skies. Not as much wind out west either. Looking for upper 80s, low to mid 90s, including 95 in McCook. Upper 80s and lower 90s in the south under partly sunny skies. Again, a chance of some thunderstorms, not a very good chance then. In fact, I'd just call it a slight chance at this point. And to the east, we're looking at temperatures topping out in the mid-80s. A few extra clouds around, a little bit better chance of some rain and thunderstorms and possibly some severe weather. The next 7 days, again, fairly active weather pattern setting up. It's going to be cooler for the rest of the work week, still keeping a chance of showers and thunderstorms for your Wednesday, especially to the southeast of the Tri-Cities. For most of us, Thursday is going to be a dry day. If we see any rain Thursday, it's going to be focused mainly in the far southern parts of the viewing area. Notice those overnight lows a little bit cooler. Friday, we start to bring back chances of rain and thunderstorms with a really good chance Friday night of seeing some showers and storms, maybe some heavy rainfall. And it's going to stay a little active over the weekend, especially during the nighttime hours. We'll keep some chances of showers and storms in the forecast. Temperatures do return back into the low and mid 80s, very typical highs for this time of the year. And we'll keep a slight chance of a shower storm going into early next week. So there is your forecast for today. Again, not anticipating a lot of activity, but a few of you may see some stronger storms later on in the day. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.